Good morning, everyone. Today, we're going to try something creative and fun while showing what we've learned. We're going to write biopoems. Does anyone know what a biopoem is? A biopoem is a special kind of poem that follows a specific structure. It helps us organize and summarize information about a person, concept, or event in a creative way. Instead of writing a long report, we get to use descriptive and expressive language to make our ideas come to life. Let's look at an example of a biopoem. This one is about Martin Luther King Jr. I'll read it out loud. Listen carefully to the details and how the poem is structured. Martin, brave, compassionate, determined, visionary, who loved justice, equality, and peaceful protest, who felt hope for the future, sorrow for injustice, and courage in the face of adversity, who needed unity, fairness, and an end to discrimination, who feared hatred, division, and violence, who dreamed of a world where people are judged by the content of their character. Luther King Jr. What do you notice about this poem? How is it organized? Exactly. Each line tells us something important about Dr. King. It uses descriptive words to capture his traits, feelings, dreams, and challenges. Biopoems help us summarize what we know about someone or something in a unique, creative way. Now let's write one together. Every biopoem follows the same structure. Let me explain how it works. You fill in each line with specific information about your subject. Here's the format. Line 1, the person or concept's first name. Line 2, 4 traits that describe them. Line 3, something they love. Line 4, something they feel. Line 5, something they need. Line 6, something they fear. Line 7, something they dream of. And line 8, their last name. For example, in the Martin Luther King Jr. biopoem, the first line is his first name, Martin. Then we list 4 traits: brave, compassionate, determined, visionary. The next lines describe what he loves, feels, needs, fears, and dreams of. Are there any questions about the format before we move on? Now, let's write a biopoem together about Rosa Parks. I'll guide you through each step, and you can help me come up with ideas for each line. Let's start with her first name. What should we write for line 1? Rosa. Good. Line 2 asks for 4 traits. What words could describe Rosa Parks? Think about what we've learned about her. Great job. Words like courageous, determined, calm, and inspiring. Those are some great words. Now for line 3, we need to say what she loves. What did Rosa Parks love or care about deeply? Good job. Freedom, justice, equal rights. Now for line 4, how do you think Rosa Parks felt when she stood up for what was right? Let's describe her feelings. Great job. Brave, proud, or nervous. Those are some great examples. Next, what do you think Rosa Parks needed? What was something that was really important to her? I hear some good answers: respect, fair treatment, support. Now for line 6, what do you think Rosa Parks feared? What might have worried her? Great answers: violence, hatred, being arrested is a great answer. Finally, what do you think Rosa Parks dreamed of? What kind of world do you think she hoped for? Yes, a world of equality, a place where everyone is treated fairly. Let's read the poem we just created together. Rosa, courageous, determined, calm, inspiring, who loved justice, freedom, and equal rights, who felt brave, proud, and nervous, who needed respect, fair treatment, and support, who feared violence, hatred, and being arrested, who dreamed of a world where everyone is treated equally. Parks. What do you think about this poem? Does it help you understand who Rosa Parks was and what she stood for? Now it's your turn. Think about a person, concept, or event we've studied recently. It could be someone like Harriet Tubman, an event like the Civil Rights Movement, or even something from science like the water cycle, or a type of ecosystem. Then you use the biopoem format to write your own poem. Remember, there's no right or wrong answer as long as your poem follows the structure and shows what you've learned. Be creative. Now, who would like to share their biopoem with the class? Let's hear what you've created. How did writing a bio poem help you think about your topic? Did it make you understand it in a different way? What did you enjoy about writing your bio poem? Was it easier or harder to write than you expected? How did the structure of the bio poem help you organize your thoughts? You all did an amazing job today. Bio poems are a great way to express what we know in a creative and meaningful way. I hope you enjoyed it.